Tariq ibn Ziyad was a Berber military commander who played a significant role in the Islamic expansion into the Iberian Peninsula in the 8th century. His full story is closely associated with the Islamic conquest of Spain and the famous Battle of Gibraltar. Tariq ibn Ziyad was a Berber Muslim general serving under the Umayyad Caliphate in the early 8th century. In 711 AD, the Umayyad Caliph Al-Walid I appointed Musa ibn Nusayr as the governor of the Maghreb North Africa and Tariq ibn Ziyad as his trusted commander. In 711 AD, Tariq ibn Ziyad led an army composed mainly of Berber and Arab soldiers across the Strait of Gibraltar from North Africa to the Iberian Peninsula. Before crossing, Tariq reportedly set fire to the boats they had used for the crossing, emphasizing to his troops that there was no turning back. Tariq's forces encountered the Visigothic army led by King Roderick at the Battle of Gibraltar. The battle took place near a mountain known as Jebel Tariq, which eventually gave its name to the famous Rock of Gibraltar. Despite being outnumbered, Tariq's forces were victorious in the battle, and King Roderick was killed. After the victory at Gibraltar, Tariq continued to advance into the Iberian Peninsula. Facing little resistance from the fractured Visigothic kingdom, he captured key cities such as Toledo and Cordoba. Tariq ibn Ziyad's successful campaign laid the foundation for the Islamic conquest of the Iberian Peninsula. The Umayyad Caliphate expanded its rule in the region, leading to the establishment of Al-Andalus, the Muslim-controlled territory in Iberia. Tariq ibn Ziyad is often remembered as a skilled military commander who played a crucial role in the Islamic expansion into Spain. The Rock of Gibraltar, named after him Jebel Tariq, stands as a symbol of this historic event. Tariq ibn Ziyad's conquest had a lasting impact on the history and culture of the Iberian Peninsula, contributing to the Islamic civilization that flourished in Al-Andalus for several centuries.